Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the ThermaMist Humidifying Space Heater. Now this is going to be your perfect companion in places that get cold and dry, especially during those brutal winter months. Now since this is a 2-in-1 unit, this acts as both a space heater and a humidifier, but you can control those functions independently. So let me show you how to fill up the humidifier. First, fill up the included measuring cup with tap or distilled water. Now I do want to mention that the instructions say to use mineral water as well. That's actually a typo, but distilled water will be your best bet. Then you're going to want to remove the cap, which already has the filter attached, and place it in the water for 2 minutes to saturate. Next, remove the rubber cap and fill it with water. Please note that the entire contents of the measuring cup can fit in the unit. Now the control panel makes this super easy to operate. To turn on the heater, simply press the heat button, and you could cycle through the 2 different modes, which is high or low. Now if you want to activate the humidifier at any point, simply press the mist button. Now here's a feature you're sure to love. You can press the light button to cycle through all the different relaxing hues. This will add a really warm ambiance anywhere you put this. Now I want to show you my favorite feature. This actually has a timer function, which you can set for 1, 2, or 4 hours, after which will shut off automatically. Now the compact design allows you to put this just about anywhere. Plus, the vegan leather handle makes this super portable, so you can bring this just about anywhere you need healthier, breathable air. Now the fact that you can control the heater and humidifier separately, I like to use the heater function in the bathroom, so I don't have to step out of the shower into a cold bathroom. But I like to use just the humidifier on my desk at work because the air in the office tends to run a little dry. Now I'll almost always use both functions at the same time at home, whether it be in my living room or my bedroom, because this helps save on my heating bill and it keeps the air humidity at a comfortable level. Now there are a plethora of benefits from using a unit like this. This will help you sleep better, reduces congestion, and it'll help stop snoring caused by dry air. Plus, this also has a safety feature, which will automatically turn off if it gets tipped over. Now we have an incredible deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there today and grab yours. Before you go, we want to mention that we just opened our TikTok storefront. So head on over there and give us a follow so you don't miss out on future deals and exclusive content.